Real quick before we get started, I just wanted to mention that the HobbyView apparel store is open. Show your support for this channel with HobbyView branded shirts, caps, mugs, and more. Just go to hobbyview.myspreadshop.com. So it was finally time to take the Cherokee out for a spin. Though some inclement weather was starting to roll in. Before cranking her up, it was time for some pre-flight calisthenics. I was really curious how this modestly powered model would fly. It was no surprise the trusty Stinger engine fired right up. And purred like a kitten. All warmed up, it was off to the races, before the doom and gloom rolled in.
Alright, we have, come on baby, the Seagull Models Cherokee 87-inch from Legend Hobby. We're running 35cc rear exhaust Stinger engine. We've got the nav lights are going, do a control check, up, down, left, right full stand on left rudder. Alright, wind's on the runway, and we're going before the weather gets bad. Take it off! She's up really quick. Oh, no gear. So you're adding landing gear. Retracts. Alright, so there's a bit of rain off in the distance there. So she's up and flying really nice. Throttle back a little bit. Looks like I might need a couple clicks of up trim. But it's really handling quite nice. What looked like high rate ailerons is actually not bad. Added just a touch of Expo, 25%, I think. A little scale pass there. See what kind of climb I can get. There's full throttle. Climb's really good. Plenty of power, 35, 19.8 propeller. This guy cooks a roll out of it. Roll to the right, roll to the left. Yeah, see, it's real mild, and it's on what they call high rates. So I can coax, say, do a loop. It's really great loops. Really nice. I like this. Flying good. Let's do another low pass here. Kind of a slowish speed low pass. Get a little opposite rudder. Wow, it's nice. Oh, some lightning. Try a little bit of inverted. Oh, just a little bit of down trim. Down the elevator. Ooh, some thunder. Try a pushover. Ah, look at that. Let's see if I can get into a little bit of a spin here for a second.
Timer stop. Timer start.
There we go. Had to kind of stall it, but then it spin real. It wasn't that high, so I didn't want to push it. Want to take it up again, try some slow flying with it. Want to drop, notch of flaps. See some up, some up, some up, some up, some up. Here's full up partial flaps. Look at that. It didn't even fall off a wing, just pop, 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 pop. Try full flaps. Still full up, full flaps. It's just mushing. Look at that.
Timer start. Time remaining 5 minutes.
can always get it to hover. Ah, there we go, it broke. Wow. It's really, really mild flying. It's almost like a low-wing trainer, really. Just big. Whoa, lightning's coming. We're going to have to land soon. I want to go up. Try a stall turn. Yeah. Try a snap roll. Yeah. Likes it to the left. Anything, last thing is try a knife edge. Full rudder. Hey, it holds it. Look at that. A little bit of a pull. Nice. Well, something's coming. All right, so I'm gonna unfortunately have to cut this a little short because there's a storm coming. Landing. We'll give partial flaps. Full flaps. And the wind's picking up. A little bit of throttle coming in over the approach. We'll back off. Idle. Oh, look at that. Wow. Raise the flaps there. And she's a floater. Wow. There you go. Seagull Models Cherokee from Legend Hobby. Really sweet harbor plane. Nice scale. It's got those oleo struts doing their thing. And sweetheart for flying. I like it.
It was a good thing I landed when I did, as the rain came in just a few minutes after I landed.
Okay, so I'll have to admit, this model flew quite a bit better than I expected. Coming in at just under 17 pounds, the Stinger engine pulls it through the air as if it was quite a bit lighter. And I'm guessing the large wings are generating a lot of lift. This is evident on landing, where it was fly surprisingly slow when flaring. Minor hiccups aside in the assembly, the model goes together relatively quickly and looks great when done. Now seats, nav lights, and even shock absorbing struts are real icing on the cake. And you are rewarded with a great flying model that is very easy to fly. I just love doing that.
Hi, thanks for watching. Please take a look at the video description below for special HobbyView sales and discounts. Your purchases help support this channel. Happy modeling!